Are you looking for easy and quick ways to create unbeatable marketing content? If you do, you reach the right place. Welcome to my series on the secrets to creating amazing marketing content using Chat GPT. In this series, I'm sharing with you tips, tricks, and hacks on how you can create fantastic and converting marketing content within a click of a button. Before we jump into it, I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Ortal Green, and I'm helping entrepreneurs and small business owners create products their audience wants to buy. I prepared a gift for you. It's a guide with 3 pro hacks to creating unbeatable marketing. The link to this guide is in the description below. So grab your copy today so you can create amazing marketing content straight away. So let's jump straight into it. If you don't have a Chat GPT account yet, it's easy to create one. Just go to chat.openai.com. I'll place the link in the description below so you can just grab it from there and create an account for yourself. It's all free. So today we're going to talk about creating a step-by-step guide for your audience. No matter what problem you're solving for your audience, you can help them by providing them a step-by-step guide to achieving one of their goals. So let's see how ChatGPT can help in creating a step-by-step guide that brings value to your audience. So let's say you're helping your audience creating a home studio, and you want to provide them with a step-by-step guide on how they can do so. So you can write for ChatGPT this instruction: create a step-by-step guide to instruct how to create a home studio. Very simple. And then you click enter. And as you can see, the magic happens and ChatGPT just starting to create that step-by-step guide. It's starting with high-level view and then highlighting each and every step. So let's just let it finish writing the step-by-step guide and go over the output. Okay, so it's starting with a light way. Creating a home studio can be a fun and rewarding project for anyone interested in photography, music production, or other creative endeavor. So already you help the audience feel that it's not that difficult, they can do it. And here are the instructions on how they can do it on their own. So first, step number 1, identify the space. This is an explanation how to choose the right space at your home. And then assess the lighting, because lighting is an important part of that. And then plan the layout of the room. Number 4 is invest in equipment. So you explain what equipment they need. Then soundproofing, then decorate, then test and adjust. And ChatGPT ended with kind of a conclusion and summary of the step-by-step guide. So as you can see, easily and quickly, you have a step-by-step guide for your audience that gives them a lot of value. As always, go over ChatGPT output and see what tweaks you need to make, what you need to change, or whether you want to add something. Always go over this output. Don't just copy it and paste somewhere, but make sure you add your own special touch into this output. So this was tip number 7. I hope you put my tips into practice to help you generate amazing marketing content, to generate leads and drive conversions. If you haven't done so already, you can download my guide with 3 pro hacks for unbeatable marketing. The link is in the description below. Until next time, stay focused and never give up on your dreams.